Okay, I'm going to have a look at a dividing polynomials question. So in another video, I have gone through the whole process of finding a factor, dividing, factorising and solving. But in this one, I just want to focus on the dividing part. So it's the kind of question where you are given the cubic and you are told what to divide it by. So we've got 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 2x minus 15, and we're dividing by x minus 1. So I set it up with my long division. Now I'm going to go through my process. So I go 2x cubed divided by x, and that's going to be 2x squared. And then I multiply out. So then I'm going to go 2x squared times x is 2x cubed, and 2x squared times minus 1 is minus 2x squared. So each time you do that, you will get the same first term in your set. And that's because when you are multiplying out, you're doing the same action again, really, and you're getting the same term, and then you will subtract. So your main aim is to have these two the same, then when you subtract them, you'll get 0. We've got, this is where you need to be careful. So 11x squared, take away negative 2x squared, becomes 13x squared. So this is the biggest error that I see when students bring up their work to me, that where they've haven't got the answer they wanted, is that they have subtracted and got 9x squared instead of the 13x squared there. They're going to bring down that plus 2x. So now I'm going to repeat the process again. So 13x squared divided by x is going to be 13x. Then I'm going to multiply that back out. So 13x times x gives me 13x squared. So same again. Then 13x times minus 1 will be minus 13x. So again, and that's why I chose this one with the minus in, because it's showing that process a couple of times. 2x, take away negative 13x is going to be 15x. Now we're going to bring down that minus 15, and I can see straight away that this is going to factorise evenly. Sometimes you will get a remainder. In this case, we won't. So 15x divided by x is going to be 15. Then when I multiply that out, 15x times x is going to be the 15x, and 15 times minus 1 is minus 15, so I get 0. I already knew that was a factor, so I knew it was going to work out, but you may be given questions where you don't know, you're just told to divide by, and you may have a remainder. So in this case, I could follow on and factorise this equation as well, or I can leave it with my x minus 1 there. I only wanted to go through the division of polynomials, so I'm not going to go further and factorise that. If you do want to see that process and the full process, please have a look at the first video that I've got on solving cubics, because that goes through that process. Hope that helps.